everyone who says to me, Lord, Lord, will enter the kingdom of heaven, but only the one who does the will of my Father who is in heaven. Then on that day, many will say to me, Lord, Lord, did we not prophesy in your name, and in your name drive out demons, and in your name perform many miracles? Then I will tell them plainly, I never knew you, away from me, you evildoers. Brothers and sisters, meaning to say, ang maliligtas na tao lamang, those who does the will of the Father. Yung gumagawa sa kalooban ng Amang nasa langit. Yun lamang maliligtas. Or else, nagsisinungaling si Jesus Christ. Kung magsasabi pa tayo, mayroon pa maligtas. No. Yun lamang gumagawa sa kalooban ng Amang nasa langit. But imagine, brothers and sisters, many will say to me on that day, Lord, Lord, did we not prophesy in your name? And in your name drive out demons, and in your name perform many miracles. Imagine, itong mga tao na in example ni Jesus Christ, there are godly people. They are godly people because they can prophesy, they can cast out demons, they can perform miracles. Pero hindi sila ligtas.